So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to underline text in a video here on InShot. So once InShot's opened up, this sort of option right below right here, press on text, then press on text again. I'll go ahead and type in the word underline, just as an example right here. Now if you want to underline the text, press on the three horizontal lines in this little option right below. So press on three horizontal lines right here. Then at the bottom there's a B, there's an I, there's a U with an underline, and there's a double A. Press on the U with the underline just like this. This will actually go ahead and add an underline. So that's the simplest way to do it. Just press the check mark right here. Now if I were to go ahead and play the video, the text now has an underline to it that you made. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how you guys can underline text in a video here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.